tired or restless? Today, in Meditate with me, I'll take you through some breathing techniques that will help you get a healthy body and mind. Let's get started with this. When I was reading about Anulom-Vilom, I found out that it is extremely beneficial for soothing the breath and the mind. A few minutes of this practice helps you slow down the system, relaxing it and releasing the tension away. Regular practice of this helps decrease respiratory issues as well. Now let me take you through the steps of this technique. Sit in any meditative posture, either Sukhasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana, making sure to keep the spine upright, shoulders relaxed and chin parallel to the floor. This can also be done seated on a chair. Place your left hand on the left thigh as per your comfort. You may choose to place the left hand in a mudra as well. Using the right thumb, block the right nostril just like this, very gently, inhaling through the left nostril. Now block the left nostril with the right hand ring or little finger and release through the right nostril, exhaling gently. Now inhale through the right nostril, block the right nostril just like this and exhale from the left. This completes one single round. Start the cycle again, this time inhaling from the right nostril just like this. Inhale, close, exhale from the left. Inhale from the left, close, exhale from the right. Repeat this for a maximum of 5 to 7 rounds. Once you get comfortable with this practice, you can add holding and retention of breath to increase the intensity of the practice. Let me take you through this a few more times. We begin by inhaling through the left nostril, close, exhaling through the right. Inhale through the right, close, exhale through the left. Come to any comfortable seated posture of your choice, Sukhasana, Vajrasana or Padmasana. Keep your spine nice and tall, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the floor and the palms on your thighs. Gently turn the left palm upwards. You may join the fingers to make a mudra. Prepare to get into the practice. Inhale, close, exhale from the left. Inhale from the left, close, exhale from the right. Repeat this for a maximum of 5 to 7 rounds. Make sure to remember to follow my voice as we move through positive affirmations, spreading them through the body. We would like to spread this joy, this positivity through the body, relaxing and refreshing it. I breathe in calmness, peace and joy. I exhale stress and anxiety. I am breathing. I am balancing. I am in this moment. I am open, I am healing, and I am happy. I breathe in trust, I exhale doubt. With the last exhalation, simply release your palms on your thighs and keep your eyes closed. Let your breath come back to natural and simply observe your breathing pattern and the sensations running through your body. Bring your hands to the heart center, tuck in your chin, open your palms like a book, and with a few gentle blinks, open your eyes looking straight into the hands and release. This is one of the practices that can be done regularly. It is great for regulating body temperature as well. Practice this for 3 to 5 minutes to begin with. Hope you're feeling refreshed and relaxed after this meditation. You know, since I started practicing these techniques, I feel quite healthy inside and out. If you also feel the same as me, then don't forget to try these breathing techniques. Before I go, make sure to chant these positive affirmations to feel better and relaxed. I breathe in calmness, peace, and joy. I exhale stress and anxiety. I am breathing. I am balancing. I am in this moment. I am loved. I am cherished. I am at peace. So, do you plan to do pranayam for a healthy body and mind? Do share your thoughts and keep watching the space for more such content.